morning, Marshall Leadership Academy. Welcome to week 3. This week our topic is how to be a leader. And there's all different ways you can be a leader and in different settings. Being a leader at school, being a leader at home, being a leader on your sports team. Raise your hand if you play football, soccer, or baseball, or some sort of sport. Okay, well there are things you can do to be a leader at those sports. You can step up, encourage your team members. Remember, the success of others around you is a good measure of how you are leading them. At home, to be a leader, you can help your parents. Use good manners. Say yes sir, no sir, yes ma'am, no ma'am. Help around the house. You can take the role of cleaning your room, helping in the kitchen, and doing things without your parents even asking you. A good leader at school is one who's responsible and brings their homework done every day. Also, who comes to school on time every day. We had quite a few students tardy this morning, so make sure that you are up on time, you're dressed, ready to come to school and be on time, ready to learn. That is a characteristic of a leader as well. So, encourage others, do your best, be a role model. Those are all signs of a good leader at home, during sports, and at school. This week, you and your class will talk a little bit more about being a leader and what does that mean. And there are lots of examples. And I know, boys and girls, every one of you have some part of a leader in you. Have a great week.